Hello, my name is Irina. Welcome to Musubi Kitchen. Today we are making sukiyaki, a classic Japanese hot pot that's perfect for colder season. When I went to the United States as a short-term exchange student in high school, I made sukiyaki for my host family and they all loved it. This time, I'll be using the PETARI Donabe from Gimpo to make a warm, sweet, savory, melt-in-your-mouth sukiyaki. Sukiyaki is a traditional Japanese home-style dish made by simmering thinly sliced beef with vegetables, tofu, and shiitake mushrooms, special sweet savory sauce called Warishita. Actually, there is a different version in Kansai region. Today, I'll be making the Kanto-style version, that one that's most common in Tokyo. Later, I'll show you the Kansai-style too, so you can compare the two. Here are the ingredients: thinly sliced beef, long green onions, shiitake mushrooms, chrysanthemum greens, grilled tofu, and shirataki noodles. And the key to the flavor is warishita, a sweet and savory broth made from soy sauce, mirin, sugar. I'll leave the detailed measurements in the description below. Alright, let's start cooking. Combine all the warishita ingredients in a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil once and skim off any foam or impurities. Next, prepare the ingredients. Slice the long green onion diagonally into 1.5 cm pieces. Cut the chrysanthemum greens into 5 cm lengths. Remove the stems from the shiitake mushrooms. Cut the grilled tofu and shirataki into bite-sized pieces. Heat your shallow donabe over medium heat. Melt some beef fat and coat the surface evenly. Grill the green onions until fragrant. Once the aroma comes out, pour in the warishita. When it starts bubbling, spread the beef slices in the pot. Then add the rest of the ingredients and let them simmer. Once everything is cooked through, it's ready to serve. By the way, the Kansai-style Sukiyaki is prepared a little differently. They actually don't use warishita at first. You start by grilling the beef in the pot, then season it directly with sugar and soy sauce. After that, you gradually add the vegetables and other ingredients. It's a version that really highlights the grilled flavor, perfect for those who want to savor the taste of beef more deeply. Both styles are delicious, so I hope you try them both. Okay, now let's eat! In Japan, it's common to dip the cooked meat into the beaten raw egg before eating. If you are not comfortable with raw egg, don't worry. It's still delicious as it is. The silky egg coating with the sweet and savory sauce is just incredible. It goes perfectly with a bowl of white rice. And also, adding udon noodles at the end is highly recommended. My family definitely eats udon with sukiyaki because the sauce gives it a special taste. And sukiyaki is actually a perfect dish for family gathering and party. Once you've eaten about half the ingredients, toss in the udon and let it simmer. It absorbs all the rich flavors from the meat and vegetables. So good! The PETARI Donabe retains heat really well, so you can enjoy your meal piping hot until the very end. This one is just right size for one person, and it actually comes with different sizes too, so you can choose what fits your needs. Whether you are dining solo or with friends, it's a donabe you can bring straight to the table and share the deliciousness together. How was it? Today we made sukiyaki using the PETARI Donabe from Ginpo. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And tell us in the comments which version are you more curious about, Kanto style or Kansai style. See you in the next video.